Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In previous video, we are calculate the area of the particular walls, and we will find out the wall thickness, then the some other things as well in the previous video. So in this particular video, today question is related to the areas and scheduling only. So here they mentioned the two questions. One is like related to that room tag, then second one is to find out the area of the room 100. So see, in these kind of the questions, they are clearly mentioned as the room tag and the find out the room area. Then in previously we are find out the thickness, the wall areas. Okay, now we are going to find out the area of the rooms. Okay, so these are the difference between those things. So how we can find out the uh, areas? Okay, first we'll go to the first questions. So before starting a video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please to subscribe as well. So previously I have uploaded the many videos. These are the videos are already present. Please go to those videos first and come back with this particular video. Okay. So yeah, today we will discuss about these particular questions. Then the first question is like give the room tag for the below room. Tag should be same as 103. Room 103. So it's a room. Then this is the tag. Okay. So everything is same only. So what I can do is here's the option called create similar CS. Then I will tag these things. So it is the easiest question that I got and what I am explaining. Then the second one is like find out the room area. So as you can see, room 104, 103, 101. So where is room 100? It's not present, but still they are mentioned as a room 100. So these type of the questions are specially for the scheduling purpose. The reason why I'm saying like they are hided the room in somewhere else, or they are drawn the room in somewhere else. For the second questions, basically then they are trying to find out those area in the schedule. Okay, does it clear? It doesn't mean that here room is not there, then we are not able to calculate the room area. Okay, but these kind of the intro questions will most probably ask, like they will draw, let's say an example, they will draw here. Okay, then they are saying they find out the room area. Then how we can find out? So the only option we can find out is using the room scheduling. So how we can do? Schedule and quantities. Here you have to search the rooms. Okay, see what we want. Room name. We need a room name, right? Room 100 is a room name. Then area. See, it's the that much easy. Okay, now we got the room name, area. Then whatever this 103, it's a number. Let me add the number. So what is the question now? Room 100. See this room 100. I got 3 meter square area. Shorten and grouping. Name number, sorry, numbers equals to 100. Did we got the area? Yes, but where is room 100? Room 100 is not present here. This particular question belongs to, these are the things belongs to first questions. The second question, we have to find out the area room 100 using schedule. This is the question. It's a kind of the questions for the everything. Let's say example, they are saying like find out the doors for the how many doors are present in this particular BIM model. Then you have to apply the filter. You have to find out those schedules as well. Okay, so like that you have to find it's applicable for everything. So every component can be scheduled. Okay, so using the particular command, particular filters, particular type marks. So you can go through that one. You can try to identify those things as well. Fine. So okay, guys, this is the short video basically, but you got my point. Some equipments are present in the BIM model, but either it would be hidden, either the content having some filters. That's why the in the levels it's not visible. So you can find out those components, those mentioned things in the schedule. Okay. So is it clear? So I hope it's clear, guys. So I will continue in the next video with the next questions. Until then, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, share, and support. Thanks so much.